Hold the brakes.
Hey guys, so I'm Billy.
I'm Andrew.
We're working on my car, putting on the fucking coilovers, and we fucked up because we raised the car without fucking loosening the lug nuts. Let's go, baby.
I think you just hit the brakes and it'll be fine. We should be good.
Beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. I was seeing double in the projects, mad at myself when I put it to the side. Mama
Alright, see what we got, man. See what we got. Instructions, sticker, warranty.
These are clean.
Oh god, bro.
These are clean, bro. Oh my god.
Here's the logo.
These are clean.
These are the backs. And then this is soft and hard. There's 30 or 40 clicks of adjustment for these.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Hold me, bro.
Yeah, I was looking at these. Yeah, they're going to super fun.
So this one and this one.
And then we'll leave them for the back in here.
Yeah. So these ones are the front, these bigger ones, and these smaller ones are for the back. If you guys are gonna end up getting the BC Racing Extreme Wheels for the 2006 to 2013 rear-wheel drive IS250. I'm not sure what the difference is between the all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive, but yeah. All right, time to put these bitches on. Whoa. Can I just see what they look like? Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, be amazed. $1,300 down the drain. If it doesn't ride so good, and I don't get any bitches, I mean women, yeah. Alright guys, we fucking moved on to this side now. Took us 23 minutes for the other side. Hopefully this one's a lot motherfucking quicker. And then we get to put the tires back on and slam it on its nuts and see what it looks like.
Careful where you put it. I'm going to pass you the jack to the bottom. Is that cool?
Just to let you know, we put this thing on hard. Hard like me, for real.
Huh?
Huh?
I'm smack over there?
No, I just said that I turned it all the way hard, just like me. Here. All right. Oh shit.
This side, face that way. It's about to go. You want to look clean, right? Good. Alright, good. Bro, why one bolt so much? So far the other one. Push in.
I can't lose this on.
There you go.
Good enough?
Yeah, perfect. Oh, they're also worried.
Whoa.
What? Oh, that's perfect. Alright, crown nut first?
Yep.
Which one's a crown nut, Billy?
That one.
And why?
Because it has a crown.
Man, this was supposed to be an educational time for you not to joke around. Whatever.
I'm not joking around. Look, it has a crown
Yes,
on it.
it
dude.
does.
And
Here you
it,
go.
and it has a little pin, and the pin locks to the crown.
Alright, perfect.
See, there you go. Come on, guys. I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun, trying to spice up the video a little bit. And this guy, he wants to be all Mr. Serious and stuff. Man.
It is 1 in the morning, dog.
Whoa.
I've been up since 6.
Guess whose problem that is? Not this guy. You know, I've been up since 7. So yeah. Oh, no. Up. Wait, up a little bit. Oh, wait, up a little bit. More, right there. Should be able to fit. It should. Right. And up, slope a little bit more.
Not bringing it lower.
Why?
Oh, yes, you do.
Right there. No, you lower it down. Right there. No, more. Yeah, now you lower it this way. What?
Wait, handing it to me? Man, that's all you, bro.
Fuck. Bullshit. What kind of shit I have to deal with? Making me work on my own car and shit.
Man. We also got a measure right now, too.
Don't need to remind me, bro. Don't need to remind me. What if I just like slam on its nuts, huh?
You're gonna rub to hell.
I'm the rub god. If you know what I mean.
Alright.
I'm not monetized. You're not monetized. Shit. God. No. No, wait. Shit. Don't lose this one. Rick. These look blue front.
Yeah. So the content is going to be very front. Take it and go back to killing the rest. You good?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No shit, bro.
Go, just one go. Take it good. You want 4 times. Go slow it. Alright. Fucking practice that. Yeah. Go in the back as well. One viral. Not viral. The actual body. Just slow play like that. Just slow play. There you go. Slow play. There you go. I don't use like any more time. I don't know. Slow play. Sure. No. Nice. Right. Oh, here we go. How much are we doing?
Whatever it says right here. It's like 50 or something.
How much?
50, I think. Sounds like a number, I guess. Run a fucking ball and tell you, know what I'm saying? What's you guys always do?
There we go. Alright, is that?
Alright. This motherfucker nasty, bro. Dirty ass gloves. Eating a motherfucking croissant.
Man, leave me alone, bro.
Bro. Literally, this is what he did. He was like, and then grabbed the fucking croissant.
Bro, I heard a good man once say, alright, if that like, you know, gunk on your hands doesn't come off on your pants, it's not gonna come off on your food. Simple as that.
Yeah, so we're not putting on the wheels anymore. So we're gonna adjust it like all the way down, like I suggested.
Oh.
And then yeah. So we watched this video of this hot girl who showed.
We're cutting that out.
She's not.
Anyways, we watched. We're cutting out from start from here. Start from here. Go.
Okay, so we watched a video on how to extend coilovers or retract, whatever the fuck it's called. Bullshit.
Just adjust.
Yeah, there you go. That's good.
And here we go.
Yeah, so we use a small one for the bottom one and the big one for the big one up here. Yeah, small one for this one, big one for that one.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Okay, so okay. Yo, 1 second. Let's do it. Yeah, dog. I think I do like this stuff.
There we go. We'll come back to you when it's pretty much done.
Damn, why is it not focusing? Okay. Bad camera quality and no fucking light, which is very annoying. So yeah, there's that. And then there's this fucking monster ass fitment over here on this side.
Alright guys, it's fucking early as fucking morning. It's 8 a.m.
Bro, I went to bed like at 3:15, woke up at 7, and I was like, man, why am I doing this? And then I thought about it, and I was like, coilovers. So I just sped my ass down this way.
Yeah, he said he almost crashed. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I went to sleep at 3:45, and then I woke up at like probably like 6:50 because like the light was like shining on my beautiful face, and then I was just like, fuck it, I'm going to sleep. and then I didn't wake up.
Okay.
I didn't wake up until like 3:40 or 7:40.
Yo, check this out.
And I ate a quesadilla.
Man, you had food already?
Yeah. Don't worry, once we're done with this bullshit, I'll take you out to eat.
I'm not gonna have time.
Ah, yeah.
You know what we gotta do again?
Yep. Yeah.
I'm glad you knew exactly what I was talking about. I'm glad you knew what I was talking about. Yeah, I'm better. There you go. Down that way. Man, can you believe this guy? God, I was drinking coffee.
Yeah, we can leave it for one side, right? What? Remember for one side?
Yes.
Back up, Sean.
Yep.
Here we go.
30 minutes. 30 minutes just to take out the tires. That is crazy.
Fucking A. Well, we had a problem solved. And then hopefully it works.
Can you move this out of the way so you slide out? You know, you can move the whole rotor. Oh, you can't. Nah, just back, I forget. I think we're on front. I think it's inside. Come on. Come on. Go down. Yeah. All right. Go, please, move it.
All right, sorry guys for not vlogging the rest of the install, but I did end up getting the passenger side done by myself. It was pretty easy, and then yeah, it was actually pretty easy. After I learned how to install the rotor back to the lower or control arm, I think it's called, or the brace or whatever. Yeah, it was pretty easy. It took me a little bit, but it was easy. And then Andrew helped me with the driver's side, so that helped out a lot. And right now I just finished readjusting the spring rate because I messed it up while doing the height for the coilovers. I wish I would have recorded it, honestly, but I'm like so over it right now. I just want to get it done. That way I can just fucking go ride and do whatever. So, yeah. So this is what it's at right now. Oh shit, you cannot see anything. My bad, guys. Maybe you can see it here. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Right now it's set to 4 inches, or about like 10 centimeters on both sides. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the fitment on the back. It's pretty sick. We are running a tuck setup because my uncle came by and he told me that since I don't have the lower control arms, the kit for it is like $600, or he said that it was like $600, but he said I need that if I want it to be straight instead of like cambered out a little bit. But honestly, I'm kind of fucking with the camber, bro. Like static boy for life, that shit would be kind of sick, bro. Like, even though like it's not like a lot of camber, a little bit goes a long way, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna use the jack, put everything down, tighten and torque everything down. If you guys do have an IS, the 2IS, the torque spec for the lug nuts is 75, according to Andrew. So yeah, there you go. And then I will show you guys what it looks like when it's on the ground and torqued. All right, so it's done. Torqued everything down, double checked everything. should be good. Right now we're riding on, actually I'll show you everything and I'll tell you after. So, yep, this is what it looks like right now. Bam. I will put in a before photo of what it looks like. And then, yep, one finger here. We gotta wait for everything to settle first. And then, you know, the tuck setup on this side. Can't even fit a finger because it's all the way up here. Yep, that's really it. I think it looks really clean. I really enjoy it. I'm glad I spent the money on the BC coilovers and I waited instead of getting like the Teen, whatever they're called. Instead of those ones, because I looked on the forums and everyone is running the BC Racing. Everyone's just like, oh yeah, it's better if you just get BC Racing instead of all these other ones. So I just got that one and stuff. And they said that it takes a while just to like get the dampening right, just to make it like stock or even better. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting on that. Now really I just gotta clean it up, take it for a drive. Well, I had to realign it, but I'm gonna realign it not today because I have to go to work in a bit, but probably tomorrow or like sometime within this week. That way my tread isn't super bad. But yeah, that's really it.